So this is question 23. Without calculator, we need to find out what is this value. Note that the answer for SMO Junior question will always be positive integer. We are going to provide two different ways to get the answer. Method number one, we let this to be equals to x, and we square both sides. After we square both sides, we will see that this is the square of this plus 2 of these two values plus the square of this, and this is equal to x squared. And you see that this will be cancelled off, and we have 54 plus 2 of square root of a square root of b will be equal to square root of ab. And this is a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a squared minus b squared. And that is equal to x squared. So 27 squared is equal to 729 minus 704. 729 minus 704 is equals to 25. Square root of 25 is equals to 5. So this is 10, and therefore this is 64. And since the x here is positive, and x is equals to 8. So 8 is the answer for question 23. So this is the method 1. Now we're going to do a method 2. So for method 2, we'll let this to be equals to a, and note that 704, square root of 704 equals to 64 times 11, and therefore this is 8 square root 11. Next, note that 27 minus square root of 704 is equals to, this is square root 11, this is 8 square root 11, but 8 I can write as 2 times 4 times 11. And 27, it can be written as 16 plus 11. Okay, so write 27 as 16 plus 11, and write 8 as 2 times 4. And this is actually 4 squared minus 2, 4 square root 11 plus square root of 11 squared. So what you have here is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is a minus b squared. Likewise, if this is a plus, this will be equal to, this is plus, and this is plus. Therefore, a equals to square root of this, so it's 4 minus square root 11 plus 4 plus square root of 11, and square root 11 will cancel off. Answer is a. Again, you get the a for question 23. This is method 2. Do you like method 1 or method 2? Please let me know in the comment.